model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 333 L1H1 blue 2.0 HDI yellow starts drives needs head gasket VAT included. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 164770. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Still starts and drives perfectly, so definitely worth repairing. Genuine one-owner van. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows.